welcome in to another woolly review. King Cole Majestic DK, which comes in 43 colours, I believe. This is a 50-gram ball. They say to use a size 4mm hook, and it is a 30% premium acrylic, 50% superwash wool, 20% polyamide. 131 yards, 121 meters approximately, and this is in the color violet. All the rest of the details will be down below. Now, the cheapest place that I found this was on SMD Knitting for £2.29, I believe, which was the cheapest I could find it. So let's stick it on the genie. Now, this is part of the Woolly Wednesday giveaway for August, so I can't do a complete swatch because I don't want to ruin it for the person it's going to, so it will just be a half swatch for now. So here goes. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and just a little, there's a little bit of stretch there. Okay, just testing. It's nice and soft. I mean, not like it's like a cloud. No, I'm not talking about that, but it's not bad. It's fairly squishy. Yes, I can feel the twist a little bit in it, but it's not bad at all. Anywho, single crochet row, let's go. And in the background, as always, you can see stitch markers that I make. On the left, the hanky markers, which are a staple, and on the right hand side, just a small collection of different stitch markers. All stitch markers I can either make lever back, lobster clasp, knitter's ring, knitter's heart ring, or knitter's star ring, whichever finishing you prefer. And heck, if you're not keen on the beads that are on there, ask and I may well be able to change things up. All details are underneath in the description below the information for this wool. Now let's chain 2 and turn. Let's have a look. It's a little bit fuzzy. It's a little bit fuzzy. And let's do half double crochets. Now, okay, I have no problem with wool, whether it's superwashed or not, but I can't feel the wool. I can't feel it, which is a bonus, because some wool can be a little bit on the scratchy side, and I would say this, no, not at all. Just about get to the end. Oops. And there we go. And chain 2. And then one last row, which will be double crochets. It's gliding on the hook nicely. It feels nice in between my fingers and in my hand. Definitely not what I expected. Oops. There we go. and remove hook. So there we go. Not bad stitch definition, really, especially for a wool blend. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Okay, so little froggy, let's go for a walk. No problem. Nice, nice, nice. But on a moped. Oh, it's gonna kill me. Put a knot in it. Whoever this is gone to, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. There we go. Not much kink at all, which is a really good thing. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. So let's wind it up, as Miss Gwen Stefani stated once upon a time, and put its belt back on. Pleasantly surprised. 20% polyamide, that'll be where the softness comes from then. Not bad. Okay, so what am I personally going to give it? Well, I definitely wouldn't turn my back on it. No, no, no. It wouldn't be like the only thing that I would kind of really grumble about but have to pick up. Would it be in my top 10? For a wool, acrylic, polyamide blend, would it be in my top 10? Yes, I think it would. Would it be in my top 3? Yes, it would be in my top 3, and that's where I'm going to keep it. I'm keeping it at 4 because for these 50-gram balls, they are slightly on the pricey side. Yes, they've got a nice bit of meterage on them, but yeah, I'd want a little bit more. The great thing is the wool you can't exactly feel, which is superb, but you can feel the twist. Just doing that, I can feel the twist. I didn't tell you the colours. So yes, I did. Violet. Yeah. We don't do the colour around here. If it was slightly cheaper, then yes, I'd give it the 5. But it is a little bit pushing. Now, I know when it comes to wool, you are paying a little bit more, granted, but I've known cheaper and ever so slightly softer. Very, very good with the frog though. But anyway, that's my opinion only. Heck, you've got your own. Maybe you've given it a go. If you have, let people know down below so they can come and have a nosy at your comment. And if you haven't, would you? Heck, maybe you do want to give it a go. Anywho, while you're down there, if you want to subscribe, that'd be a bonus. And hit the notification bell to all if you like yarn reviews deliberately from Europe. And hopefully I will see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.